relevant budget, we tell you how many employees you have on a job title, what is the cost on that job title, and what it would look like if you were to add additional headcounts to that job title. What does it look like on actual versus budget for both quantity and then actual cost in business? We're going to fetch what is currently included in your budget. So these are all of the counts, female count, male count, and then we break it down according to race. Here we have the dashboard to show, okay, cool. Under supervisor level for this month, these are how many supervisors that I have. Under cashiers, for those respective months, these are the amount or quantity of cashiers that I had in my business. If I go to the data that underpins these dashboards, I can see these are the actual headcounts that we go and fetch from the system every month. Here I have the assistant manager, I have the employee code, gender, race, the total cost, and the job title, the relevant hierarchies, and the relevant month. So I can see great stuff. I have one assistant manager for every month. But if I wanted to know what that looks like, if I had to maybe appoint another assistant manager for 2 of the 3 months, I can go and say, you know what, Craigie, let's sort this according to period, and not for this month, not for this month, not for this month, not for this month. I am deleting it so that from the month of December, I am budgeting an additional headcount at a cost of 15,200. So this affects my headcount from the month of December, including the actual expenses, so that I can compare on a dashboard what is my current headcount and what my current headcount and associated expenses will be when I have a look at my budget. Because we are fetching this information directly from payroll, you don't have to populate it, and you have the means to create your own budgeted headcounts for a specific job title. We can tell you what your cost is going to be. So my cashiers are currently at that, but now with the additional headcounts, I'm exceeding what I'm expecting. So we are able to highlight where your budget is being exceeded depending on the headcount for that relevant month. Have a think about how you want to apply budgets within your business, how something as simple as just adding additional budget headcounts and salary cost to your budget translate and explain to business what we can do.